Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone guys hotspot setting guys, and today video title is guys how can we check a hotspot device name in a Samsung phone device. Friends, we want to check guys your hotspot device name in your Samsung phone. So how can you check today friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So friends, now let's see guys how can we check guys Samsung phone hotspot device name. So friends, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you will have to click on your phone connection setting, and friends click on guys your phone mobile hotspot. Friends, you can use guys your mobile hotspot guys whole setting from here. So friends, you can see guys your hotspot device name guys, we can check from here. Network name is Samsung, and friends you can see your password also guys, you can check from here. Once you can see mobile hotspot setting as you want to use, so guys you can on and you can use it from here. So like that guys, we can check guys Samsung phone guys hotspot device name. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to check hotspot device name. So bye guys.